Okay, it's my Johnson 4 horsepower outboard, 2-cylinder 4-stroke, and it's not too bad. The bottom cover isn't on, although I do have that bottom cover. The petrol turns on by twisting this knob here, so that's off and that is on. The choker's on the same knob, just pulls out to give it some choke. It's quite warm today, so it probably won't need too much. The air is quite warm, I mean, not the engine. The engine is pretty much stone cold. Right, so a bit of throttle in the start position. This knob here is a slow running knob. It's for the mixture that's slow running. See, the choke actually operates this choke butterfly in there, which is pretty straightforward. So I'll leave it open for now, I think. You can see how it goes. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, nearly, maybe a bit of choke. No, try again. Oops. It has about a